Hi there, welcome to the Zapiet Academy. Today I will show you how to configure preparation time for your shipping orders. Please note your shipping date picker must be enabled to use this feature. To get started in your Shopify admin, click Apps. In the drop-down menu, select Zapiet Pickup and Delivery. In the Zapiet Pickup and Delivery left side menu, click Settings. Then click Shipping. In the Preparation Time section, click Enabled to reveal the advanced notice settings. You will be presented with multiple tabs, one for each day of the week. By default, we set a minimum advance notice of 1 day. 1 day notice will block same-day shipping. Adding 2 days will block same-day and next-day shipping. If you add 0 days, the first available date will show for the customer in the widget. Click Save. In this example, customers ordering on a Thursday will be blocked out of the same day. The first available slot will be Friday. This is how it will look in our widget on your online store. For example, today is Thursday, and you can see that Thursday is blocked out in the widget, as we set up in the settings. You can also add a cutoff time. After the cutoff time, you can set a new preparation time. By default, we add a cutoff time of 2 days. In this example, for customers ordering on a Thursday after 2 p.m., same and next day will be blocked out. The first available slot will be Saturday. Click Save. This is how it will look in our widget. Today is Thursday, and since it's after 2 p.m., we can see that Thursday and Friday are blocked out in the widget. Let's set up preparation time for a specific store example. This merchant ships their orders every Monday and needs the customers to place orders before Thursday. To set it up, start with the day that includes a cutoff. In this case, add a preparation time of 4 days on Thursday. Enable a cutoff time and set it at 2 p.m. Set the preparation time after the cutoff time to 5 days. For Friday, add 3 days of preparation time. For Saturday, add 2 days of preparation time. For Sunday, add 1 day. For other days, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, change the default setting to no preparation time. Click Save. Now your customers can order by 2 p.m. on Thursday to get their order shipped on Monday. Orders placed after 2 p.m. on Thursday will be shipped the week after. This is how it will look in our widget. If customers try to order before 2 p.m. on Thursday, the following Monday is available as a shipping day. When ordering after 2 p.m. on Thursday, your customers can select shipping on the Monday the week after. For more information on shipping preparation time, please check our help article. If you have any questions, please reach us at support@zapiet.com and we'll be happy to help.